It's for day trading. So the best thing I want to look for is first off just blue chip stocks. These are just a rundown of blue chip stocks, and then I have the S&P 500, US 100, which is the Nasdaq. That's like tech stocks. US 30, which is industrial. VIX, volatility index, and then Visa. But these are just to show where the market's going, so we know if we're getting a good or bad trade. And then what I like to look at is just good old blue chip stocks and how much volume it has. So LRC, we wouldn't trade this because that's pretty low. Visa, that's pretty low for Visa. Disney, it's not too good. Amazon, that's not too good. So we just stick with OSTK, Roku, Nvidia, Microsoft, BABA, Boeing, AMD, and Apple. And some things I like to look for is just like this. It's coming down to the 9-day. When a candlestick sits on the 9-day, it usually bounces and trends up. So for this stock, I wouldn't enter. But if this did hit 80 tomorrow, I could see a run up. We go over to Apple. You see how it's sitting on here? We can see Apple trend up tomorrow. Look for a little bullish run, maybe to about 117.75. That's where the high resistance is. You got to look for the high resistance. So yeah, actually, Apple 117.75. It looks good for a day trade tomorrow. AMD pulled back. It doesn't look good, but we are in a swing on this, and it's doing pretty well. Boeing, if it opens high tomorrow, we can see a push up to about 175, about a $7 move, just because it's sitting on the 9-day. Actually, it's sitting above the 9-day, and this is called a 9-day push when it runs up with it. So we can see that. I like to see if it breaks all-time highs or just highs from previous, as you see it did. So we can see BABA maybe run up tomorrow. Microsoft, again, sitting on the 9-day, just pushed over. We can see it come to this high, so probably a $3 move up. Nvidia looking pretty ugly. You can see a move down to about 538. I just like to see if it, it's filling gaps, it's creating highs and lows. This is creating a high, but it's pushing down. Roku, just overbought. I can't. There's too high of disequilibrium. And then OSTK, yeah, looks like it can push up. And then I wouldn't recommend buying any of these, but for a swing trade, yeah, this is a good one. Amazon doesn't look so hot. Unless you're doing long calls, then it looks hot. LRCX, not so hot. Everything else, that's it, guys. Hope you have a good day.